Welcome to Mr. Engineer. After decades around heavy trucks, I can tell you, when they fail big. Today, you'll see rigs go down in ways you wouldn't believe. Now that's what I call a double whammy. First, the armored vehicle's already broken down, and then the tow truck decides to take a nap with its brakes. You can almost hear the metal groan as it flips over. Lesson here, folks: never underestimate the power of gravity on heavy machines. Whoa, that little truck almost became a pancake. Years on the road taught me one thing: never trust a sudden U-turn, especially from a big rig. Reflexes and luck saved the day here. And here comes the K700 into the river, pushing through the current, and yes, it's across. That's a clean victory over Mother Nature. Ever seen a semi throw smoke like a dragon? Check this out. Turbo blown, oil burning, diesel screaming. I've seen engines die quietly, but this one, it went out with style.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my gosh, pure cinematic madness. What? That snap was louder than a cannon. I've seen buckets bend, hoses burst, but a piston breaking like this? Instant heart attack. The frozen river tried to trap him. The ice cracked under his tires, snow pulled at his axles, but the Gaz 66 shrugged, leapt, and left winter coughing in its exhaust.
Все, повалился.
Ever seen a crane try to feed a boat to the water like it's a snack? Snap, tilt, splash. I've handled heavy lifts for decades, and this one's a classic what not to do moment. Ever feel like your SUV could go anywhere? Watch this Land Cruiser flex every joint and tire. I've been around Jeeps, Broncos, and even old Land Rovers, but nothing beats the reliability of a solid Toyota off-road. The Komatsu D475 storms forward like a steel gladiator, ripping earth, shoving mountains aside, each push shaking the ground like an earthquake on command. Crazy fails ahead. Like and subscribe to stay tuned. Final moments. JCB finishes the raker column. Houston's NDCT tower has fallen. With a 38-liter V12 diesel engine, the MAZ 537 was never about efficiency. Insane. That fall proves even the sturdiest cranes are only as strong as their cables. Never skimp on wire inspections, or 28,900 kilo reminds you painfully. Some trucks roll, some trucks wobble, and some trucks make you question reality. This CAMAZ? It's a three-wheeled miracle, powered by sheer stubbornness. Under the mountain's shadow, the excavator swings its hydraulic hammer like a war drum, each strike sending shockwaves down the hillside. The boulders don't just crack, they surrender. Pure entertainment and chaos rolled into one. Well, that's what happens when you push a truck too hard on a bumpy road. Rear axles don't lie. But look at that. An excavator comes to the rescue like a true heavy-duty hero. Here's a combo that commands respect. A Scania R620 by use, hauling a Hitachi ZX470 like it's a feather, even though it's a beast of 47 tons. The low loader keeps it steady while the tractor shows off torque that could pull a mountain. From Castiglione del Lago to Sondrio, it's Italian engineering meets American grit. July 16th, Inch Green Dock. The final moments. Cranes crumble spectacularly. Dust clouds swirl. Echoes of metal bending and breaking fill the air. A fleeting masterpiece of demolition. Some people learn by books, others by pain. Watching this man survive a falling excavator, that's a lesson in humility, respect, and pure luck all rolled into one. Using precise boom and arm control, the operator shifts the machine's weight, lifting the undercarriage clear of the curb for a flawless pass. I've rescued machines from mud, sand, and snow. But riverbanks have a mind of their own. Watching a crane break reminds you why safety rules exist. Ignore them at your peril. The combination of snow and slush makes even heavy-duty machines wobble. Insane. Watching a concrete pump tip like this is like seeing a skyscraper lean, slowly, terrifyingly, and with zero warning. Safety first, always. And here we go. PC450 swings in, drops the load clean into the CAT 730. That's textbook loading, folks. The dumper's off, smooth start, no wheel spin, straight into the haul. Here comes the JCB, pushing, lifting, sliding just a bit. Ooh, that's close. Can it make it? The crowd's holding its breath as the bucket grabs for one last pull. One wrong step, and that car could have been swept away in seconds. Watching people help each other reminds me, in danger, coordination is everything. Karma comes fast. The LTM 11-1200 doesn't just turn, it bends reality. 9 axles, 100 meters of steel, and a driver with nerves of titanium threading this monster through a curve like it's choreography. Pure skill, patience, and nerves of steel. Two bobcats glide across the site like dancers in a steel and diesel waltz. Every pivot, every lift. Perfectly timed, perfectly balanced. Heavy metal has never been so graceful. That's proper heavy-duty loading right there. Moving something that stretches longer than a football field requires more than muscle. It takes finesse. Buchanan's crews coordinate every turn, every lane change, and every escort vehicle like a choreographed dance. Miss a move, and that 180-foot beam could turn the highway into chaos. Oh my God, so lucky. Precision engineering at its finest. Every roller and pin aligns perfectly as the track locks into position. The tensioning system is flawless, ensuring optimal grip for the forestry terrain. Truly a textbook example of mechanical excellence. I can't believe my eyes. Slow, steady pulls are the only way out. They tried their best. You've just seen how fast things can go wrong out on the road. This is MR Engineer reminding you, respect the machine, or it'll teach you the hard way. Don't forget to like and subscribe.